Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you all guys are fine and doing great. Today we are going to discuss this GFG problem of the day, that is triangle and square. Okay, so let's move on to the problem. So guys, in this problem, basically what we are given a single side of a right angle isosceles triangle, which is its base. Means for a triangle like this, if this is a right angle triangle, then we are given this. Okay, and because this is uh, because this is isosceles triangle, and we know we are given this, and because this is isosceles triangle, so this side and this side and this side will be equal. Okay, you can read it about in theory of right angle triangle. Okay, this is the longest side always, so this cannot be equal to any side. So two left side are this, so these both are equal. So the length of this side is b, length of this side is b. Okay, so now what we have to do, so basically now what we have to find out, we have to find out how many maximum 2 into 2 square box we can put out in this particular triangle of base and height is equal to b. Okay, and this is a right angle triangle. So like for b is equal to 8, we can put out 6, like first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6. Okay, so now how we will find it. So first of all we need to understand the property of the right angle triangle. So basically, if this is of size 0, then we can put out 0 triangle. So first of all, we will uh, study about even when our size is even. Suppose it is 2. Okay. Suppose it is 2. Then we only able to, you can see, this is a triangle given to us. Can I copy it? Yes. Okay. So suppose this is a rectangle of size 2, this particular triangle. So here we cannot put out a single square box. Okay, okay, so now it's fine. Now we are given this triangle of size 4. In size 4 we can just put out a single square box. Okay, so size 2 it is 0, size 4 it is 1. Okay, this is just based on the diagram. Now for size is equal to 6, for size is equal to 6, we are doing even. For size 6, how many triangle we can put out? We can put out 1 plus 2. Now why 1 plus 2? 2 this and single one this. Okay, similarly for 8, we can put out 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 for 4 size. Now for 2, for length is equal to on the 6 base and plus 3. And now if we are thinking how many triangle we can put out if our base is equal to 1, 3, 5 or 7, means it is odd. So if for 1 it is 0, for 3 we cannot put out a single box. Why? Like if I make it more clear by just erasing everything. When we are 3, like our triangle will look like something like, our triangle will look like this. Okay, then here we were not able to put out a single triangle because the corner of the triangle that we put will go outside it. Okay, because this diagonal length will exceed. Okay, so this is what basically I want to tell you. Similarly, for uh, b is equal to 5, for b is equal to 5, this will be the triangle. So the maximum number of triangle we can put it down is only this one triangle, because this and this square box come out of it. Okay, comes out of the boundary. So here in 1 we can put out same number of triangle as in 0. In 3 we can put out same number of triangle as in 2. In 5 we can put out, I don't know, it is hang again and again, don't know why, as in 4. Similarly in 7 we always put the same number of triangle as in 6, as in 6. So we can say if we have to find out a number of triangle in b, and if b is odd, then it is equal to b minus 1. If it is odd, like if it is, it is for 2, then it is okay. If it is for 3, then we will calculate it for 2. If we need to find out for b is equal to 4, then we can find out. As well, if we need to find out 4 5, then we just need to calculate 4. Okay, so we need to calculate for b minus 1 in case of all. This is most important property of this problem. Okay, so okay guys, so now we need to find out for odd tenth only, then we can calculate for we need to find out for even tenth only. Okay, so how we will find out for even length? You can see for length 0 it is 0, for length 2 it is 0, but for length 4 it is 1. Means we can put out our first triangle when we have at least 4. Then in 6 it is 1 plus 2, in 8 it is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Similarly in 10. So okay guys, for 10 it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. For 12 it is 1 plus up to 5. Similarly for each level it will increment plus 1 of its last number. Like for 14 it is 1 up to plus 6. For 16 it is 1 up to plus 7. So it means we need to find out the sum of first and natural number. First and natural number. Now we need to find out this particular hand, because now we are discussing about b. Okay, these all are b's value, you can see b. So how we will find out this hand? you know first and first and for which our answer can be possible is 4. So what we will do, we will decrement from 4 from our b, divide this number by 2, add 1 in it. You can try. For 4, put out 4 in it. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So here you will got 1. For 6 is equal to 6 minus 4, 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Similarly for 8 it is 3. For 10 it is 4. And you need, so our n is equal to 1. So here you need to find out n is equal to 1. Sum of first n natural number means only 1. Sum of first two natural number 1 plus 2. For 8 it is 3. Sum of first 3 natural number. Sum of first 4. Similarly 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is how we will proceed this particular problem. So we will take int x is equal to 0, because here we need to find x. You can take it x or answer anything what you want. And if b modulo 2, then I will decrement b. And if I will do operation if my b is at least 4, means my b is greater than or is equal to 4. Then what we do, same, b minus 4 divided by 2, b minus 4, b minus 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Okay, then I need to find out the calculate the sum of first b. Our b will b is our n here. Okay, we will update our b. So like our b is 1 2, like for 4 now our b will become 1. For 6 it is 2. Okay, so now for more clearing, what you can write, int n is equal to this, and this is n, this is n. Okay, so n number for whose sum we need to find out is b minus 4 divided by 2 plus 1. Now we will calculate sum of first and natural number by using formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. It is a simple mathematical formula, and at last I just written x. So I compiling it. Okay, answer is correct. I hope you all see this 866. So I run for a big case like 500. Answer is correct. So I will now try to submit it. So you can see all the test cases were 110 out of 0 pass out. Here is 110, but because of some internal error it shows 0 to us. Okay, time taken is 0.0. So O1, because we have to do it in O1. Why I am using this formula? Because I have to use in O1 as well. I can calculate it 1 plus 2 plus 3 as well. Okay, so I hope you all guys understand it. This is a very simple mathematical problem. You just need to analyze it and solve it. I explain it very well from my side, and if you still have any doubt, then just comment out. I will try my best to explain you to clear your doubt. For now, you can subscribe the channel, like the video, and check out my channel for more this type of video, and stay tuned with me. Thank you guys.